Most traders see a breakout and jump in early, but professionals wait. In part 1, I showed you everything you need to understand. In this video, I'm going to show you what really matters. Let's go. The key point to understand the break and retest, you have to follow market structure first. You have to understand the movement of the market. The market structure, when it is going uptrend, it creates higher highs and higher low. When it is going downtrend, it creates lower low and lower highs. And when it is consolidating, we don't get into any trade. We don't enter the trade when the price is consolidating. That's the 3 ways of how the market moves. Now, let me show you here. The price is in uptrend already because it has broken out this key support level. It was a resistance level, but since the price has already broken through it, it becomes a key support level. So the problem most beginners does, they enter too early, immediate when they see a breakout. They enter, they press their stop loss below, and later they lose the trade. But professionals wait. They don't just enter immediately. They have to wait to see confirmation. They have to wait for price to make a retest at their key level, support or resistance level. So here we have a key support level. We have to wait, and the price has already reached our key support level. It made a retest to our key support level. So here you don't want to enter the trade on higher time frame. You want to enter the trade on the 15-minute time frame. Always make your analysis on the higher time frame, H4 or H1. And when the price make a retest at your key level, you scale down to the 15-minute time frame to take the trade. Now let me go down to the 15-minute time frame to take the trade. If we can see here, guys, the price has made a retest at our key level, and we want to enter the trade, but we don't enter immediately. We want to see confirmation before we enter. And if we can look here, we have bullish momentum. This gives us the go ahead to enter into the trade. Now you enter after getting a strong confirmation. This momentum gives us opportunity to enter the trade. So you enter the trade, you press your stop loss below the key level, and you take profit just like here. You have to be with the patience to wait for price to hit your TP. So when you see price reversing at your entry point, you don't need to get out of the trade. You have to be patient to wait for price to hit your TP. You have to be patient. And that's what I mean. That's what I mean when I say you have to be patient to wait for price to hit your TP. The price is going up, creating higher highs and higher low. When the price is nowhere, we don't want to enter any trade, because we want to enter the right trade at the right place in the right time. So, and here the price is nowhere, we don't want to enter into the trade. So we want to wait for price to break out our key level, then that becomes the right trade we want. So here we have a key support level. it is a key support level, but for us to enter into this trade, to consider this trade the right trade, we want to see price breaking out our key support level. Then the key support level becomes resistance level. So let us wait. Now price has broken through our key support level. Now this key support level becomes key resistance level, because now the price has turned bearish. It is bearish now. So this is the right trade we want, and we don't want to enter here. No, we want to wait for price to make a retest at our key level. So let us wait. Now the price has reached our key resistance level. Now this is the right place. When the price retests your key level, that becomes the right place you should enter at. But you don't enter immediately here. You want to wait for the right time. The right time is when you get the confirmation. So when the price reaches your key level, you have to go down to 15 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. We have to always enter our trade on the 15 minutes time frame, not higher time frame. So let us wait. You see, the price is still going up, so we should wait for confirmation before we enter. Yes, we should wait. We don't enter now. This is the right time to enter into the trade, because we have seen the bearish engulfing candlestick. The bearish engulfing candlestick. So here you enter for a sell. You place your stop loss above and you take profit, just like here at the next key level. We have to wait for price to hit our TP. That's how we do it, guys. That's what I told you guys. That's what I told you, that you should develop the patience to wait for price to make a retest at your key level and you enter the trade. Breakout are easy to use. Retest requires discipline, and execution requires patience. Master this and you stop chasing the market. You're letting it work for you. Thank you.